Hello, so this video is just a small tutorial showing you how to set up the Guestbook demo or the Guestbook app for your website. Right, so I'm on my post page, and what I'm going to first of all do, what you should really first of all do, click on the Guestbook app and download the app. Just refresh that page, download this app, and once you're done, you should extract the document. And what I'm going to do here, I've just got Windows. I've just got my Dreamweaver open right now. So what I'm going to do is pull this right over and I'll drag and drop it into my website for me to upload. Once in my folder to be uploaded, I'm just going to upload that quickly. Save yes. And what we should find, first thing we need to do is open up our document. Two locations that we need to edit first of all. This index area here, change that to Guestbook. And the same with this one here on line 23. And we should be all set to go. Okay. Later on we'll be filling in these details later on. This may differ, depends on. So I'm just going to save. And what I'm going to do is upload this file. And once we've uploaded, I'm going to open a new browser, and what I'm going to do here is go navigate to my new Guestbook page, and it's guestbook.php, and voila. We all already understand that these warnings are already, these warnings are just warnings because we don't have a database installed just yet to hold our Guestbook data. So we'll be sorting that out in a minute. First of all, I just want to show you, this is how the Guestbook should look once it's had a few posts. See, I've just added a few weird articles just for testing and other reasons. So the way it works is if you type in your name, and click the enter or press return, and then we can type any message we want. And click on the post. And you can see right now that that just inserted that a name as my name into the post with message 6 as the message. So anyhow, I'm going to go back to our form and we're going to go across to fixing this problem with our website. Right. Okay, so the next part of our website will be to install our data, and I'm going to quickly show you how to do that right now. Okay, so I'd start by opening my web hosting panel. Well, it may slightly differ depending on what hosting service I'm using. HostGator, and what we would go to is create a new database. So we need databases. So I'm just going to create a basic database. So I'm going to go into it. This process might differ slightly depending on which hosting service you're using. And what I'm going to do here is create a Guestbook Live. I'll call it Guestbook Live and create that database. We go back Right, once I've created it, just add a user to my database. There we go. And create add. And for this little demo, I'm going to select all. And make changes. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back home and load up my PHP, my admin, for this account. PHP, my admin. Sorry about the loading time. So looks like I'll pause it for the time being. So my database is loaded up. I have multiple databases here. You may not have all these databases. Anyhow, we can see by expanding our username and selecting the database we like, and it's this one here. Right. So obviously we can see that, or just click on it, and we can see that we've got no tables, no tables in our database. All we'd have to do here is import, or actually no, SQL. And if we go back to our tutorial page, I've inserted the code here for you. So all you need to do is copy that one and go back to our SQL and paste it all in, and then go. And you can see that's been created. Yeah, sorry, I had to pause it a moment. So we can see our table's been created now, just after copy and pasting the code from my website. If we click on it, on our icon here for our guestbook, we can see that it's already set up for us all now. We just click on the structure and see that these are all there. Okay, so we've got the guestbook name. We've got the guestbook all set up for the database to hold our data. Now all we need to do now is set up our website, the HTML code for our website. So now we go back to our HTML code, and all we need to do here is insert these credentials. And normally your first one is local host, and username's usually something like root, or maybe a username for your website, and then a password. And your database name, which was PA. So, and once we've done all that, we can just control and save. These are not my original credentials for my website. I'll upload, so I'm going to insert those credentials and then pause the video and insert those credentials and then show you the results. Just hold on one second. And now we should be ready to test our website. So now I've uploaded the files with the new password and username, credentials, and for more guidance on how to find that out, you should seek advice from your hosting provider. Anyhow, I'm going to now refresh this, and this should be what came up. Although, hold on 1 second. Take that URL, copy that URL, You can see it's loaded up. Copy that URL. And I'm going to load it up in Internet Explorer just for demonstration. Right, okay, let's close that. So now you can see this is a brand new demo, a Guestbook demo, and all we have to type in here is room 5, and we just click on the enter. Oh, and we can see here it's loaded up and it's all working and all okay. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Leave a comment on my post or on the tutorial page, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.